Welcome back my friend in my new and most important video. Because of that, if you have Samsung any model do you have, and if you successfully hard resetted your smartphone, and when you configure your smartphone you forgetted your Gmail ID account detail like that, and you can't configure your smartphone without entering your Gmail ID account detail. So in this video I can show you how can you easily unlock your smartphone without enter your Gmail ID account detail in just only 5 minutes, without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. So let's start the video first. First of all my friend, if you see this video, so you can see here you have to go to the first page of your configuration, means welcome page. When you comes in this page, and you know very well this method will work on every Samsung Android version like 13, 14 and latest 15. So first of all you have to connect your charging cable, not connect to computer, only connect your charger to your smartphone, and when you connect your charging cable, your smartphone will charge. Okay, you can see here. After that you have to click this language section and use your select your English United States and click OK. Done. After change your language, you have to open your emergency call option, and when you comes in this page, you have to enter a very unique secret code. This is *0*#, and done. After that a new page comes into your mobile screen, and you have to take only one action here, and you have to find a sensor option here, and you can see this. You have to find sensor and click here. When this page open, you can see here there are lots of sensor X, Y, Z, gyroscope, magnetic and azimuth. All sensors are synchronizing, so you have to wait only 5 seconds. After successfully completed of 5 seconds, you have to go back, tick OK, and when you come in this welcome page, you have to click the start button and configure your smartphone as usual. So click the agree button here, and you have to click setup manually. Because of that you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, and when you successfully connected your smartphone with the Wi-Fi network, you can see here this smartphone is connected to internet. So that you will be you have to click the next button here and wait for the result. Maybe your phone is asking to enter your PIN pattern password lock, okay, but you forget it, so you have to click use my Google account instead here, and done. After that your phone asking to enter your Gmail ID account credential, means you have to enter your Gmail ID account detail here, but you forget it. So at this moment you have to disconnect the charging cable first, and when you disconnected, you have to click the enter your Gmail ID or phone number, but you don't need to enter any detail here. You have to only find this small setting icon, and you have to click here. Done. After that your Samsung keyboard setting page comes into your mobile screen, and there are lots of options here. So you have to find the first option, languages and types, so click here to open. After that you have to click the second option, manage input languages, and done. After that you have to go to the right side 3 dot, click here to check for updates, and when this update comes, you have to select to turn on English US and English UK, and disable accept all other languages. You have to update the selected items and wait for the installation done. After a few moments this will completely successfully done. Okay, you can see here. So you have to go back and go to the suggest text correction options here, and here you have to open your manage apps. Okay, so click here, and in this page you have to do some important action here. First of all you have to turn off some Google products like Google Maps and Google Play Store and YouTube also. So done. Go back and go back to the main screen. Done my friend. And after that you have to arrange another Android smartphone, and you have to open your Play Store on your external second smartphones. Okay, so wait for few seconds, and after that you have to search a application which name is EasyShare. Okay, you have to find this application and click to install here. When this application done, you have to click to a start button on your logged smartphone, and after that click agree. And at this moment you have to click Galaxy or Android smartphone. So click here, and when this barcode you got, you have to scan from this. So wait for a few seconds and click to home screen. Okay, so click to back and click again Galaxy or Android, and go to the scan option, and scan this QR code. After that click to open in browser, you have to unlock this smartphone. After that you have to click don't copy here, click a skip anyway, click more, and remove your latest smartphone and click accept, and all done. Your smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing service center method, and this method is certified by Samsung Service Center. And you know, from this channel I am a service center employee, and I have totally 14 years of experience in this field. So this method is completely useful and very easy. So you can try this on your logged Samsung smartphone. This will 100% work on your smartphone, so you can use this. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, so comment us by using our comment section, but you have to reply with your specific Samsung model name. Our team will reply to you within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your all kind of Samsung smartphone like A series, M series, S series, J series and F series. This will work on every Samsung model do you have. Okay, so you have to only try this method into your logged Samsung smartphone. Wait for installation configuration done. So don't try to skip this video at any moment, otherwise you won't be able to unlock your smartphone. So uncheck this and click next, click home button here, and few settings are pending, so wait for few seconds only. And done, my friend. You can see here this Samsung smartphone is unlocked by using this amazing service center method. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, so you can comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.